I started losing my hair when I was about 19 and have it look good and be confident about it. So.
Hi, I'm Gracie.
I'm Zach.
We just got off our 13-hour flight from Los Angeles, just arrived in Turkey. We did a lot of research on different hair clinics out here. We looked at all the social medias like TikTok, Instagram, all those things. We loved what Smile Hair Clinic had to offer. The reviews were all really great. And then once we started contacting you guys from Smile, we really appreciated the kindness that you guys showed and the customer service. So yeah, we ultimately just decided to book it with Smile, and we booked our flights, and now we're here. Zach and I met actually in 2020 during the COVID pandemic. We met online. We went to the same high school, but didn't really know each other. And then we connected online in 2020, and we started dating, and we've been together since then. So.
I had to shave my head about 2 years ago for work. I didn't really mind having a shaved head, but I figured if I grew my hair back out, and I figured since I'm gonna have it, I might as well have it look good. And this was kind of the route that we chose to do. So it definitely will be a boost of confidence once I get the hair transplant and after the whole process. So I'm excited.
All right, we're so excited for the journey, so let's go.
Expectation-wise, it's never really like
Yeah.
I want something that looks natural and boost the confidence.
So I will increase density here for sure, okay? So, can you turn your face to me? I will draw a hairline, and if you don't like, I can change it. But please remember, it will be only the level of the line. The end result will look with zigzags, okay? And there will be lots of irregularities, also asymmetries, okay? To keep it natural. And I will show you the line twice more, once after the incisions and once after we finish the whole procedure. So I need to be wise to give you an aesthetic look with the minimal recipient zone surface, and in the future you may lose the ones on the top and the crown too, so I need to save a little bit reserve for them, okay? So we will try to extract as much as we can without giving extracted look, okay? From your donor zone. So my goal will be not to be very visible that you had a hair transplant. Of course, you will lose some density. Yes, it's better. So we will start with the local anesthesia. It may hurt some people. It really depends from pain threshold. Okay, of the people. But you're a very big guy, so I hope that
We'll see.
we will take good care of you.
Sounds good.
Okay. Do you need to ask me anything?
No.
Then
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let the games begin. Okay?
The whole thing? Oh.
Easy killer.
Maybe one more.
Okay. I gave you a really weird haircut.
Unpleasant sensations, okay? It will be very helpful. Do it 5 minutes, 2 times a day.
So, I mean, as for the experience in total, being picked up from the airport, being transported to and from the hotel, and then going to the clinic operation day, it was all super streamlined and very easy. It was essentially once we put it all into motion, it was kind of taken care of. So we didn't really have to think too much, and then we were taken care of really well. And yeah, I'm super excited with the results of the transplant, and excited to see what it's going to look like in 6 months to a year from now.
I agree, it was very easy. Like he said, we didn't have to do really much except book through Smile, so we got picked up at the airport in a very, very fancy van. All the transportation was taken care of, so we were brought to a very nice hotel. It was very easy. The pickup from the airport was super easy. And then as far as the operation, it was all explained to us very well. And it went by pretty quick, and so far the recovery has been good, and everything's been explained just very well to us, and it's been very easy and simple, and we've had a great time in Turkey, and we're glad that we chose Smile to do his hair transplant. So yeah, we had a fun time trying the Turkish food, and we're honestly like thankful that we were able to go with Turkish locals, because I feel like if we were walking around Turkey by ourselves, we may not know what to order. So we got all the traditional Turkish foods, and we loved it. They were all pretty good. Definitely different from a lot of the things that we eat back in America, but we really enjoyed it all, so it was fun.
Yeah, the food was awesome. No complaints on that end, and hopefully we'll get to come back in the future and get together with everybody and try some more food.
Yeah.
Thank you, Smile Hair Clinic.
Follow the true transformation. Chalk to Şekiller Smile Clinic. Was that good?